Hello, I'm David, Little Houses Plus and Small World Products. Welcome to this presentation on our YouTube channel. It's just a short one this time. I just want to talk to you about LED lights. Now we sell LED lights and they come in strips of 3 at a time, so you can have multiples of 3, like 3, 6, 9, 12. They come light, like daylight, or warm, which is supposed to represent more like a candle. Our LED lights all come wired up, so all you need to do is extend the wire, and don't forget you can use our heat shrink tubing for that, and there is a presentation on how to join the wires together. The main thing about LED lights really is, one is that there is no heat from them, so people tend to use them under worktops in kitchens, or in front, in the sort of shops in the front, to shine down. Some people use them on the back of the house if they've got a picture of a garden on the back to light it up. But the thing to really be careful of is that when you're wiring it in to something like this, an SW04S that we use to run our wires from the power controller through the house to the wires, is that you put the red wire from the LED light into the plus on here, and the other colour must go into the minus, and that is very important. Most other lighting of dolls' houses, it doesn't matter which way round you have it, but with an LED light it must be the red must go to the plus and the other colour to the minus. Thank you for watching this presentation. All the information that we've given you can be found on our website, and that's www.littlehouses-plus-shop.co.uk. Thank you for watching.